There's a new sheet metal multi-length flange option in SOLIDWORKS 2025, which saves us having to edit the flange profile when we have flanges of different lengths. Bend notches are a new sheet metal feature in SOLIDWORKS 2025. I'll pick an edge on the front and the back. Here's the new multi-length flange option. When that's selected, we can adjust each flange separately without having to edit the profiles, saving a lot of time. Bend notches are a new sheet metal feature in SOLIDWORKS 2025. They can help a bending operator line up the tooling with the bends. Bend notches are added to the flat pattern and exist only in the flat pattern. I've added the command to the sheet metal toolbar. We can quickly collect all bends. There are three types: triangular, circular, and rectangular. We select the type we want and adjust the size as necessary.